Fiber optic pigtails from DiscountLowVoltage.com are for fusion splicing inside of a fiber optic enclosure. Terminated on one end and the other end is left blunt so that it can be spliced to your drop cable to eliminate the need of those pesky field terminations. Our fiber pigtails are machine polished, and the result is a much lower light loss than can be achieved by hand polishing in the field. Don't forget, we also have protective sleeves available for the fusion splicing process. Order online at DiscountLowVoltage.com.